Debris getting into your gutter tray, this simple pop-in screen is something the average homeowner can do on their own. You'll notice the front lip, and that lip just slides right into the edge of your gutter tray, and then just push it back. Now this is a seamed metal roof, and it goes right to the back of the gutter tray lip and sits right on that. In your case, you may be taking it up underneath of a shingle, and that would be fine too. The ends are trimmed just a little bit, so you're going to slide one right over top of the other. And if you feel that it's necessary in your area, you'll put 1 or 2 gutter screws about every foot or 2 foot, again, depending on how windy it is and other environmental concerns, like getting up inside of here again in the future. And that's as simple as it gets. Just a simple pop-in screen, literally, to keep the large debris from getting into your gutter tray.